This is the Safety Light Curtain Distance Interactive Calculator based on ISO 13855, which calculates the minimum safe distance between a light curtain and hazardous machinery. Let's look at the 4 input fields. First is hand speed constant K in millimeters per second with a default of 2000. Second is total response time T in milliseconds, where you enter your system's response time. Third is object resolution D in millimeters, which is your light curtain's detection capability. Fourth is additional distance C in millimeters, defaulting to 8. For this demonstration, I'll enter hand speed constant K as 2000 millimeters per second, total response time T as 10 milliseconds, object resolution D as 10 millimeters, and additional distance C as 8 millimeters. After clicking Calculate Minimum Safe Distance, we get 4 results. The minimum safe distance S equals 34.0 millimeters. The recommended distance is 40.8 millimeters. The safety factor applied shows 1.2, indicating a 20% margin is recommended. Finally, it confirms compliance with the ISO 13855 standard. Always use the recommended distance for optimal safety. Find the link in the description below.